Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you publish your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to publish your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you decided to create your website through Weebly, once you're done putting it together, you need to publish it. Otherwise, it's not going to be available on the internet. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the dashboard. Now here on the dashboard, if you want to publish one of your Weebly websites, it's going to be handled in the editor. So first you need to choose the website you're working on. So up here on the top left, go ahead and click there and then choose the website. I'm only housing one website here. Once you've chosen the website from this drop-down menu, here you're going to see another menu and you want to click on website. Once you click on website, click on edit site. Okay, so then you're going to be in the Weebly editor. And in order to publish your website up here on the top right, you're going to click on publish. It's in blue. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up and going to confirm right here, your site has been published, and then it's going to show you the URL. So you can go ahead and click on the URL to test it. Okay, as you can see, this website is now published. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to publish your Weebly website from the editor, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.